Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Psycho X at Her Door. Hell breaks loose.
2024. Officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
Hello. Was she dropping off stuff for you?
No, I was just sleeping and I heard a lot of banging.
Okay.
It's just,
You never had contact with her or anything?
it's been like 2-3 weeks.
Okay. She's gone. Oh, was that here before?
Huh?
Was this here before?
No, I don't think so.
What is that? Dog. Well, she ran out the back. I mean, Oh. Do you have an order of protection, anything against her?
Did like maybe 2 months or so.
Was it just for a couple of weeks, or?
Yeah, it was just like 2 weeks, I think.
Oh, okay. But you had no contact with her or anything?
It's been a while.
But today you didn't?
No,
You just heard knocking on your door? Did you look through the peephole and see her there?
no, I just heard a lot of banging and that.
Okay. Well, if it becomes an issue, you might want to get another order of protection.
Well, she just banged on the door. I don't know why. It was kind of.
Did she say anything?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Just banging on the door? Yeah, but you assume that's her?
It was her, but she left all this stuff.
But you didn't see her? Okay. Well, if you think it's her and you're concerned, by all means, getting an order of protection renewed or get a new one. Okay? I don't know, is that your stuff?
I'm guessing, but she's banging on my door and it just kind of frightening me.
Okay. Gabriella?
Yes, what?
Oh, relax. Were you over at Alex's place?
Yeah, he wasn't opening the door.
Okay, he doesn't want you going back over to his place anymore. Okay. You woke him up pounding on the door. He said that he doesn't want you over there. So don't go back. Okay?
I was literally knocking, and then I went to go knock on his window because I know he had his earbuds in. So then I was knocking, and instead of, hey, let me open the door to see what she wants, and I'm like, I keep knocking and knocking, he's not answering. So then I'm begging, and I know he's doing it on purpose.
Okay. Are you guys have broken up still, right?
He's a dumbass. That's what he is. I was returning his stuff that he had given me literally not that long, 2 days ago, a day ago, and all I wanted was my trays so I can bake. He didn't open the door. He stopped answering my messages because he's such a little baby. He doesn't like it when I tell him the truth. He wants to be a little baby all the fucking time with his stupid ass mentality. He doesn't think I'm tired.
Okay.
And he couldn't even have messaged me, hey, this is not in the third. No.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm pissed.
Okay. Well, he doesn't want it. He doesn't want you coming over anymore.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still gonna message him, and he's still gonna have me come over, or I'm gonna come over when his dad is coming over, because he's pissing me off. Because all I want is my shit back. He took me off his YouTube Premium, but he has my Chromecast, like the dumbass he is, the cheap ass, broke ass bum ass mother he is. I don't give a. He's pissing me off because I put up with this dumbass shit all the time. All the time.
Can't you just change your? No, he actually have the Chrome.
He has my stuff, my Chromecast stick, and he's using it out, but he took me off his ass YouTube. So yeah, I'm mad. I'm upset because he treats me like shit, and I always had to give him everything, and he still doesn't fucking appreciate shit. So yeah, I'm mad because I want my shit back. You're gonna treat me like shit, but all the shit that I did for you, you don't give a like, look how you just made me do. You don't give a you gave a me. You wouldn't have the cops coming over here.
No.
You settled it down like a man.
Relax.
I don't care because I'm mad and I'm upset.
He didn't ask me to come over here.
I don't give a fuck. He could have came over here. He could have talked to me like a grown ass man, but he's not.
Settle down.
What the fuck do you want? Like, okay, I'm not over.
I just want to make sure you're okay, and just to confirm you were over.
Leave me the fuck alone. Like, seriously, like, leave me the fuck alone.
Okay. Can you have a 12?
See, it seems like they're in the same building, or maybe the same apartment complex, and that's the problem with dating somebody that's in your same vicinity, man. Cause it's like, when everything is going good, everything is going good. But when things go bad, all of a sudden he's a baby, piece of crap, this, that, that's when the name calling starts. You know what I mean? Everything is cool when you're together. When you're broken up, he's the scum of the earth. Okay, that's how I go. All right. You wasn't saying nothing like this when everything was good and y'all was together and he was doing his thing and you was doing your thing. Everything was everything, man. Y'all was sharing passwords. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a must. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is a must. Because if I didn't have it, I would be watching all them commercials, just like you be watching all them commercials. It ain't your boy. It's YouTube. You gotta get YouTube Premium, man. I just put you on. But anyways, yeah, man. It's you could tell she's a lot to handle. You know what I mean? Because it started to come out towards the end. She was calm in the beginning, but then as the time went along, that other side of her started to come out, man. Woo, she could be dangerous.
Police! I'll get that out the door. Good job. Hey, Alex, please. Is she in there?
I don't know, I can't hear anything.
Let us in!
She's right here, guys.
Where is she?
Here. What are we doing? Evidently you didn't understand what I said last time. What are you doing?
Stop! I'm not authorized, so leave me the hell alone! Stop! Leave me the hell alone!
Now you're under arrest.
Leave me alone!
Stop.
It's one girl! It's one girl! Tell them to get off me, Alex! I'm not, nobody busy.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Hit me in the face.
Yeah, but how did she get in? That's what I want to know. Did he let her in? How did she even get in there though?
She's right here, guys.
Where is she?
Man, he sounds scary. You in here, guys? It's like, god damn, bro. Some bass in your voice, guy. Come on.
What are we doing? Evidently you didn't understand what I said last time. What are you doing?
She's
I'm not
nuts.
authorized, so leave me the hell alone! Stop!
They're gonna get you together, boy. I think this is.
Now you're under arrest.
Leave me alone!
Stop.
It's one girl! It's one girl! Tell them to get off me, Alex! I'm not,
She's
nobody
nuts.
busy. Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Hit me in the face.
Stop.
It's alright.
You relax.
It's alright.
Alex, step back.
Guys, it's alright.
It's all right. As you called the cops on her, it's all right.
Don't open it.
Nobody's coming in right now.
Police!
You got her?
Yeah.
Who the hell is this guy?
Who's
Some guy.
What the? What the hell is this?
Gabby. Too late.
under arrest? Sit up. Sit up. You kick me?
Do not.
You get it?
Do not. Do not. Do not. You understand that? Do not.
She's nuts.
Custody. Do not! Settle down!
Leave me the alone! Leave me the alone! No!
Yes! We got two. What's up? Stop! You gonna settle down?
Hey, whatever my boy been doing, man, he doing it right, man. He got the ladies going crazy, boy. Whatever he doing, I don't know what he doing. He must be, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if he a plumber laying pipe, what? I don't know what he doing, man. But whatever it is that he doing, he got them going crazy, boy. Salute to that brother right there, man. Gotta salute that brother, man. Golly.
Down? Yep. Okay, do you have any shoes? Do not! Gabby! Okay, we're gonna sit you up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Easy. You're already going to jail. Stop!
Wait, that's on my face!
Well,
Turn
stop
me
punching
around!
me.
Turn me the around! Turn me the around!
Stop, Gabby. It's over with.
Stop it! Get it? You are done! You hear me? Stop it! You're done!
I can't breathe.
Well, you're done! Sit up! You can yell, you can breathe, can't you? Sit up!
Now,
Legs up! Stop! We're up again, you're gonna go to the ground! Up! Go! Take it up, let's go. Stop it. Oh!
wait!
No! Let's go, you're gonna fall on the stairs.
Honey! I'm running out of breath.
Well, then you stop fighting. You would have plenty of breath, huh?
You don't let me.
Sit down.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on police and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already,
I want to know how she got in this crib. That's what I want to know. I mean, because if he let her in, I mean, you let her in, you know she's toxic, but you let her in and y'all chit chatting and then it goes south. Now you want to call a cop? Like, it's like, come on, man. But if she broke in, that's a different situation. But that's the only thing that's like pretty much a mystery for me. It's like, how did she get in the house or the apartment? How'd she get in? But anyways, yeah, like I said, that brother must be doing something right. I don't know what it is. But he doing something right, man. He got them going crazy, boy. Woo! Anyways, I give the officers a 5, man. They did a good job, try to talk to both of them, reason with her and yada yada. But at the end of the day, officers got to get her together, and that's what they did. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.